Good day, everyone. Today we're going to discuss the lesson 5 titled Health and Wellness and Medical Tourism. The World Health Organization, or WHO, defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. The history of medical tourism. Medical tourisms worldwide have long sought the best medical services, predating Americans traveling abroad for cardiac surgery. Medical tourism history. Ancient time. Ancient societies demonstrated a strong connection between religion and healthcare, dating back thousands of years according to studies. The Sumerian built the earliest known health complexes around hot springs. During Bronze Age, tribe in what is now Saint Maret, Switzerland, recognized the health benefits of drinking and bathing in iron-rich mineral springs. The ancient Greek pioneered comprehensive medical tourism networks by 300 BC. Therapeutic temples thrived under Greek influence. In India, medical tourism involves with the popularity of yoga and Ayurvedic medicine. As Rome rose to global power, hot water bath and spring called thermia became popular among elites. Medical tourism history, the Middle Ages. After the fall of the Roman civilization, Asia remained the key medical tourism destination. Temples evolved into hospitals, offering clinical services to healthcare travelers, marking a significant point in medical tourism history. In medieval Japan, hot mineral springs known as onsen became widely popular for their healing properties. Warriors clans utilized this spring to relieve pain, heal wounds, and recover from battles. Many early Islamic cultures developed healthcare systems that catered to foreigners. In 1248 AD, the Mansouri Hospital in Cairo became the largest and most advanced hospital globally, accommodating 8,000 people and serving as a healthcare destination for foreigners regardless of race or religion. History of medical tourism, the Renaissance period. The Renaissance marked a rebirth of art, culture, and the flourishing of medical tourism in Europe and England. Valley d'Oux, or Town of Water, gained fame across Europe in 1326. With the discovery of iron-rich hot spring, notable figures like Peter the Great and Victor Hugo frequented this wellness resort. The term spa originated from the Roman "salude per aqua", meaning health through water. In the 16th century, European elites rediscovered Roman baths, flocking to spa towns like Saint Maret, Villa d'Oux, Baden, or Aqua Solis enjoyed royal patronage and global fame, becoming a hub for fashionable wellness and leisure for wealthy. Michel Equin de Montaigne, the French essayist and considered the father of luxury travel, was a noteworthy traveler. He authored the earliest documented spa guide in medical tourism history.